TypeScript. It is free and open source high-level programming language developed by Microsoft. TypeScript and JavaScript, both applications, client-side and server-side execution. TypeScript compiler TSC install in Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating system. Step by step explain. Search box lo VS Code download, enter key press. code.visualstudio.com download. First link, mouse left click. Visual Studio Code official redirectory page, complete display, supporting OS, Windows, Linux and Mac. Present set of Windows. First button, Windows, click. Thanks for downloading VS Code. Download section lo VS Code exe set of file downloading process start. File size 103 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completed. Installation setup process. First icon, open downloads folder, click. VS Code exe set of file display, mouse right click. First option, open, click. Download folder, minimize. Browser, minimize. Setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code user window lo left side first option, I accept the agreement. Circular tick mark set. Next click. Select destination location, default location display. Second button, next click. Second button, next click. Select additional task section lo additional icons. First option, tick mark set. Authors section lo two options, tick mark set. Mouse left click and left click. Next click. Install, second button, click. Preparing to install. Installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup was desktop shortcut display. Launch Visual Studio Code. Left side box lo tick mark remove. Finish, click. Browser reopen. Left side TypeScript option, select. First one, tutorial, click. Installation instructions display. Install the TypeScript compiler. The earliest way to install TypeScript is through npm the Node.js package manager. First, Node.js installation, new tab, select. Google search box lo Node.js, enter key press. Node.js.org. First link, click. Node official redirectory page, complete display. Left side, download Node.js LTS long time support. Latest version 22.14.0. Download, green color button, click. Open file, select. Preparing to install. Browser, minimize. Node.js set of window, second button, next click. End user license agreement. Left side, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Box lo tick mark set, mouse left click. Third button, next click. Destination folder, newly created folder, location and path display. In box, local disk C, program files, subfolder, Node.js. Second button, next click. Custom setup, Node.js related features installed, display in middle box. Next button, click. Install Chocolatey, necessary tick mark set, unnecessary skip. Second button, next click. Ready to install Node.js. Second button, install, click. Installing Node.js. Please wait while the setup was result Node.js. Status lo checking process start. Application related. MSI window lo first button, yes, click. Status lo copying new files. Completed the Node.js setup was finish button, click. Windows search box CMD type. First option, command prompt, select. Enter Node.js text command. Node space -- version. Enter key press. Successful installed version v22.14.0 and npm text command. npm space version. Enter key press. Install version 10.9.2. Browser reopen. npm install -g TypeScript. G means TypeScript globally. Copy this command. Mouse left click, right side drag, mouse right click, copy. First option select. cmd command prompt. Reopen. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Install TypeScript. Process completed. Command prompt shell window minimize. Browser minimize. Keyboard shortcut key Windows R key press. Run window display. Enter the command %app data %. First button OK click. npm folder select open. Copy this path. Address bar mouse left click, right click, copy. Second one click. Minimize. Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables. Enter. First option select. System properties window lo last one button environment variables. Click. Second option system variables section lo path select. Second button edit click. Right side top new button click. Mouse right click, paste, select. OK click, OK click, and OK click. cmd command prompt window reopen. Browser reopen. Second text command copy. Mouse right click, copy. Browser minimize. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. TypeScript latest version 5.8.2. TSC TypeScript compiler. Window close. VS Code IDE open. Select. Double click. File menu click. Open folder option select. Left side desktop select. Middle section of mouse right click. New option select. Sub panel of first one folder click. Keyboard delete key press. Folder name TypeScript files. Enter key press. First button select folder click. First button yes trust the authors click. Get started with VS Code page close. Newly created folder TypeScript files display in Explorer section. First icon new file select. Enter the file name charitech dot extension TypeScript related TS. Enter key press. Newly created file TypeScript simple code enter here. Browser reopen. Mouse scroll down. Copy this right side. Copy. Click. VS Code IDE reopen. Control V. File menu click. Save option select. Terminal menu click. First one new terminal select. Newly created file default location display in terminal window. PowerShell window down arrow click. cmd command prompt. Second option select. tsc space file name enter charitech.ts. Enter key press. JavaScript లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి ఫైల్ charitech.js as the same file name enter here. Node space charitech.js. Enter key press. Output charitech info. Minimize.